I'm still in Walmart. As you know, I came here to pick up an item for a customer, and while I'm doing that, I'm running through looking at some various items. This is the Air Fryer Pro, the Power XL. I am not quite sure why we're splitting the drawers into two. Sounds like we ran out of room for innovation, and we're just trying to innovate the daylights out of this thing. I don't foresee. Those are asparagus and salmon they have in there with cuts of lemon on it. I don't see what I would be cooking to the. Well, I guess if you cook small pots, if like 2 or 3 people in your family, I don't see what I would be cooking that I don't want to mix. So I'll need like dual draw, but this one is nice. The price tag is 99. It looks like it's a very good buy. And there's also another one here for 99. I think I bought one of my employee one of these for a wedding gift. It's a 12 quart. It's very nice. Cleans up much easier than the one that I have at home. So this will be a good buy for the Christmas season. So now that we're in the aisle dedicated to air fryer, I wanted to point this out to you. Yes, I'm in Walmart. I want to point this out to you that you don't have to buy a $100 version. Here goes a $55 version, an $89 version. I'm in the aisle with all the air fryers. Your options are many, brands, size, and so an air fryer makes very good utility in the kitchen. It also makes for a very good Christmas gift as well. Starting to be the holiday season, and a special someone that you want to buy something for, you're not sure what you want to buy. This is an excellent gift. Gift for the wife, gift for the mother-in-law. Makes an excellent gift. That special interest, that special someone that you're trying to impress. An air fryer makes an excellent gift. It's very utilitarian. If you go back on our Instagram page, you'll see me cooking lunch in the air fryer at home. It's very utilitarian.